Good morning, guys. I am back on here again. Yay! I'm getting ready, put my makeup on. Not really gonna do a lot of makeup again. The purpose of me coming on here every day is to show you how you can get ready in seconds and still be fabulous every day. So, just daily chat. What's going on with you guys? Good morning. Good morning, Jessica. Thanks for watching. I'm just going to put a little eye base on again. Not doing my eyes. I got these lashes done and I'm spoiled. I feel like I don't need eye makeup. Hi, everybody. Oh, yeah. You will see me in Miami, Jessica. I was in Miami last year. I never missed Miami. I never missed that convention. But thank you, I sure will. Hey, look at what this eye base does. It just neutralizes your eyelids. Saw how red they were earlier? So, I love this eye base. It like goes on like a cream and then it like dries like a powder, which is really nice. See, I don't even have to do my eyes. Hey, Jamal. How are you, sweetie? I haven't seen you in a minute. Abby, I see you, girl. I'll call you when I get in the car. But now that you're on here, we could talk a little bit. So I just also wanted to recap. If any of you guys joined, if any of you guys joined the annual holiday beauty bash last night, it was really, really good. I watched it. It was Dr. Terry was on there, and it was super, super informative. She talked about like holiday. Not everybody wants to drink liquor. Everybody's not a drinker. There's a lot of people that don't drink. Hey, Ab. And oh, that was Maggie. Hold on a minute. I'm sorry. Hold that thought. Just wanted to remind you, okay, I'm on it. Today, I'm going. I just finally decided that I can make it. I just rearranged my schedule, Maggie, so I'm excited about going. Thank you for the reminder. She's talking about the NFL alumni event this Saturday. I was looking for a date. So I guess I just thought everybody was like, yeah, I'll be your date. So I guess I'm an overachiever because I didn't get that one date. So I'm going by myself. That's okay. Solo is good. So anyway, going back to the beauty bash, I was really, really impressed. I thought Dr. Terry did a really good job with explaining, especially about our supplements and how we have this supplement. It's called Beauty Blend. So what's really cool is it's a powder, and when you mix it with 1 cup to 2 ounces of water, it becomes isotonic, like the fluids in your body, like your sweat, your tears, your saliva. And so when you drink it, your body doesn't know that it's not a bodily fluid, so it goes right past your stomach and intestines and goes right into your bloodstream. So it's really, really good. Hey, Brenda, thank you for watching, darling. So here's my eyebrows. You saw how I did that, right? And I did teach you guys yesterday that I like to put a little bit of, well, today I'm wearing gray pants, so I'm going to wear gray. I like to put a little color underneath my eyes like this, so I don't have to wear eyeliner, and it just kind of opens up my eyes a little bit. So getting back to the beauty bash, let me tell you about it if you haven't heard, because it's pretty cool. So what we do is we all get together, all of the Modus distributors and trainers, and we all go into this one group. So you invite your customers, but they have to be registered first. So if you're one of my customers, let me know so I can invite you to the group. I like to invite I like to ask before I invite people to a group. But it's really cool because what we're doing is a 6-week series, and twice a week on, I just want to make sure I'm saying this right, Sunday at 5 o'clock, Mondays at 9 o'clock. So it's going to be really cool. So last night it was Dr. Terry, and she went over the Beauty Bliss cocktail, which was pretty cool. It was a beauty blend. Again, it's a powder. You mix it, it becomes isotonic, goes directly into your blood system. Hey, Lena. Thank you. And then she added some aloe, which was awesome. So the beauty blend, let me just tell you about beauty blend. I love beauty blend because one, it has OPC3 in it, which is a natural anti-inflammatory. So if you have any type of skin conditions or anything like that, it helps with that. And then it also has lots of vitamin C, because that, keeps your skin nice and tight. Biotin, everybody knows what biotin does for your skin and your hair and your nails. It's just really, really a nice blend. But what I thought was really cool was that she added aloe. Now we have this aloe, it's called Ultimate Aloe. And when I tell you it's Ultimate Aloe, it is. It's amazing. If you have any type of stomach issues, it's great for that. Anything digestive. So if you have like acid reflux, all of that comes from your gut. So I thought that was pretty cool. So she mixed them together like a drink, and it was awesome. And she said, if people want to add champagne or vodka, you can. But for those of you that don't drink, at a party, it looks like you're having a drink. And what's good about it is if you do drink, she explained what Core was. And Core is a pill, but when you drink it, it blocks like carbohydrates and sugars and stuff like that. So when you go out to drink, if you take a Core before you go to your holiday party, or at your holiday party, I'm thinking about serving them at my holiday party. You're not hungover, or you don't have a headache in the morning, which is nice because it blocked all of those sugars. So I thought that was pretty informative. And then digestive enzyme, especially for the holidays. We all need digestive enzymes because our stomach needs help with all of the holiday cookies and holiday pernil and arroz con gandules and all of that other fun stuff that we eat. And pasteles, I don't know what you guys have for your holidays, but I'm just telling you what we have for ours. And the coquito, because that coquito is milk-based. So it's delicious, but it's tough on the stomach. So if you have stomach issues already and you dread Thanksgiving and Christmas and all of that because you know you're going to overeat, get some digestive enzymes and drink it while you're eating or after. No big deal. And it helps to digest that food. That delicious but hard on your stomach food. I'm just putting a little highlighter on my nose. Yeah, so I thought it was really, really cool. So if you want to join it, because the next one, yesterday was what? Hold on a minute. Yesterday's was Monday at 9 o'clock. So it's Sunday at 5, Monday at 9. That's Eastern time. So if you want to join it, inbox me. And then I'll make sure that you're registered on my site first. Because you have to be registered on the site first to go on to this group. And then I'm looking for my blush brush. Here it is. And then from there, I will add you to the group, and then you can watch. It's for 6 weeks. It's going to be pretty cool. So one of those 6 weeks, I think it's December 2nd. I'm going to be the guest host, and I'm going to be talking about bundling and stocking stuffers and stuff like that, like little things that you can put together for gifts, just kind of a whole bunch of gift ideas. So again, it's called the second annual Holiday Beauty Bash. It's an online beauty series. It's by Motives, through Motives. So check it out. Other than that, what else is going on? Talk to me. Who's on here? Abigail Hernandez. What's going on, party people? So I just want to give a shout out to my cousins. We just lost an amazing person in our family. She's a lot of fun, brought a lot of good energy, always in a good upbeat mood, and it was just amazing. So it was kind of a shock. And we're gonna miss him in all of our parties, our little family parties. Hold on, I need to get my powder. Where is it? Over here. So shout out to my cousins. I love you guys. My thoughts and my prayers are with you right now. I know this is a tough time. Thank you. Skincare, girl. Skincare. One day I'll come on here and we'll talk about skincare. So right now I'm just kind of putting on a little bit of powder. And real quick, before anybody goes anywhere, I want to introduce you to this little lip palette. I'm going to try it today. I wanted to do it yesterday, then I ran out of time. So, and then I just put a little 10 years younger or no more shine. Keeps my makeup on all day. Powder and shine. That's it. Boom. So we're going to jump right to this lip palette. So I want you guys to check it out. This is our new lip and cheek palette. Isn't it beautiful? Oh, I love it. So like people are like, what's with the black, right? But I'm thinking that the black, I'm going to play with it because I haven't played with it yet. I'm looking for my little lip brush. Stand by. I haven't played with it yet, but play with it now. See what you guys think. So I'm going to go right for this black because I want to see what the hell is it going to do. Let's try it together. Let's see. So, oh, it's not black, it's purple. Oh, it's beautiful. Nice. Oh, yeah. Doesn't it look black? Oh, in that light, it looks a little purple. I see it now. Nice. So the idea is if you use this purple, then you put a little bit on your cheeks, but I already put blush on. But tomorrow, I'll try another color. And you guys tell me what you think. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. This is totally me. So what else? I love it. The black, yes. Isn't it? See, my thought process was that it was so pretty. That it was black and then you put like this red or this is purple on top or this burgundy. So every day I'll try a new color because I really like this one. It's pretty, right? Hold on, guys. Hey, what I do like about it doesn't feel like lipstick. It feels nice and soft. Almost velvety. So I have an extra one of these and I'm going to be giving it away. This and then followed by the new Visionary palette. So if you don't belong to my group already, please ask to join. But if you're a distributor, it's only for my customers, guys. I love you though. So, okay. I think that's good. What do you guys think? So, yeah, I'm gonna be giving one of these away on my page. My private page is called Makeover Mogul. So find it and ask to join. I'll register you, and then you'll be able to, play the game. I do these little games or whatever, and then I ask you all these questions, and I give you points, and whoever has the most points wins the palette at the end of the week. That's how we do it. So I'll be letting you know what date I'm gonna do that, and I'd love for you to come. I like that a lot. What is that called? That one is called Exhale. Very pretty. Thank you. Thank you, guys. So anyway, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to come on here and show you that, tell you again about the Beauty Bash, the second annual Beauty Bash online shopping for the holidays. We're going to have a couple of cool things on there. You're going to learn a lot. Even if you don't buy anything, that's fine. There's no pressure. We just want you to learn, because sharing is caring. And a lot of times people don't know what they don't know. So that's why we like to invite you to these things, so that we can introduce you to our amazing products. We have fabulous products. All right, kitty cats, I am out of here. I hope you have a wonderful day. And don't forget, what do I always say? Choose to be happy. Make over your mindset. Make over your body, mind, and soul. Have a great day. Bye.